Throughout a patient's life, healthcare providers rely on precise weight data to care for their patients. It's a vital metric in monitoring age-appropriate growth metrics and helps doctors determine the correct dosage of medicine to prescribe. But how do you know the data from your scale is accurate? Rice Lake Weighing Systems has been a trusted leader in the weighing industry since 1946. Our scales are backed by superior customer support, ensuring you have the resources you need for reliably accurate weight data. Like other medical equipment, scales need a preventative maintenance plan. All scales should be checked on a routine schedule with calibration weights recommended by the scale manufacturer. Our dedication to proper scale maintenance ensures Rice Lake scales provide accurate weight data every time. Our complete line of patient weighing scales are designed for every stage of life and every healthcare specialty and environment, from labor, delivery, and pediatric units to family practices, surgical hospitals, acute care facilities, nutritional and fitness clinics, all the way to long-term and hospice care. Throughout every stage of life, effective and quality healthcare starts with accurate weight data from a Rice Lake scale. Learn about Rice Lake's expertise in the weighing industry and how to start your partnership with Rice Lake today by visiting www.ricelake.com/health.